Hello friends, I'm Sujata and you're watching All Season Gardening. The topic I'm discussing today is 8 climbing plants for Indian balconies and gardens. In simple words, climbers here refer to the plants that grow upwards using a support. Climbers develop tendrils or sucker for twine themselves around their props. Although they spread naturally, their stems can be tied to lead them to extend towards a particular direction. Here is a list of climbers that write for Indian homes like yours. Bougainvillea, take about climbers. The Bougainvillea, the first plant genus that comes to my mind. It is a low-cure vine, commonly recognized by its flamboyant clusters of vividly hued flower like brackets. The actual tiny white flower nestled within. A healthy bougainvillea brackets of magenta, pink, red, orange, yellow, or white create a wonderful splash of color. What it needs, this ornamental plant requires full sun and well drained soil. Water it regularly, initially for a steady growth, but after that, make it as a good deep water occasionally. Do not overwater. It is tolerant to drought and salt, making it suitable for raising in hot, dry, and coastal climates too. Blue Morning Glory, also known as Blue Dawn flower or Cauliflower. This evergreen vine featured striking blue purple trumpet shaped flowers, dark green velvety heart shaped leaves, and a slender twining stem. It produces fragile new flowers every day during late summer and autumn. What it needs? Morning glory needs exposure to full sun, well drained soil, and regular watering when in growth. Feed it, fertilize it that time too. It is best to shelter the plant from strong winds. Devil ivy. Devil ivy is commonly known as money plant or golden pothos in India. Heart-shaped leaves with yellow or white spectacles are the main characteristic of this evergreen clamor vine. It is a low-cure, fast-growing plant. What it needs? Bright, direct sunlight and low humidity do not suit this vine. A shaded or semi-shaded zone of the garden would suit it just right. Regular watering is needed in summer months and infrequently during winter. Star jasmine. The fragrance laden star jasmine or confidate jasmine is an evergreen climber, but it is not true jasmine. It wears shiny green foliage and white flowers on woody stems. The five petal flowers blossom abundantly during the late summer and spring. What it needs, although star jasmine is a hardy winter tolerant plant, it favors medium watering and drained soil. It can do well in full to partial sun conditions. Bengal clock vine. The Bengal clock vine has lovely trumpet shaped blue flowers borne in long clusters, dense foliage, and perennial growth. This native Indian plant, also known as Bengal trumpet or blue sky flower, has rope like stems which twine only clockwise, giving it its unusual home. What it needs? The Bengal clock vine is a low maintenance evergreen plant. It grows best in moderate conditions, partially sunny, warm, gently moist weather. Sweet potato vine. A very distinct relative of the potato vine is surprisingly from the blue morning glory family. It is a vigorously growing perennial plant species with beautiful dark green to lime green leaves and white flowers with purple throats. Its enlarged sweet scratchy root is edible sweet potato vegetable popularly cultivated in parts of South and East India. The ornamental variety is known as tuberous morning glory. What it needs, this vegetable producing vine requires moderate watering all through the year. It enjoys a well drained soil under full to partial sun exposure. Flame vine. The flame vine or golden shower clamor is fast growing woody clamor that blooms with countless orange red flowers during the winter and spring. The tip of each branch forms a cluster of 15 to 20 flowers, presenting a distinctive look to the vine plant. What it needs? Regular watering and full partial sun facilitates the healthy growth of this evergreen climber. Bleeding heart vine. The bleeding heart vine is a woody vine bearing ornamental bicolored flowers and bushy green leaves. The five-lobed white sepals with little red flowers contrast with the green backdrop, making the climber picturesque and charming. The flowers blossom abundantly through the summer months. What it needs? The vine loves sunlight and thrives when watered regularly. If you like this type of content and if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, and also add a comment. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You watching All Season Gardening. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is Vastu tip for plants. List of plants you should never keep inside the house. According to Vastu Shastra, there are certain plants that we should not plant in our homes as it does not detoxify the surroundings. Here is a list of plants you should never keep inside the house. Tamarid tree. It's said that this tree is so, and if we plant this tree, the happiness in the house also turns sour. According to Vastu Shastra, the Tamarid tree planted in the house prevents the progress of the house and also affect the family's health. Cactus plant. Cactus plant should not be planted at home. Both Vastu and Feng Shui experts suggest that cactus can transmit bad energy at home. The plant brings misfortune at home and also cause stress and anxiety within the family with sharp thorns. Date palm tree. According to Vastu Shastra, palm trees should never be planted at home. It is been said that to avoid growing date palm tree so that poverty does not come in the house. Also, people who grow this plant suffers from financial troubles. It has been given a negative impact on health too. Bamboo tree. Bamboos are more than an exotic and colorful plant. Many homeowners plant bamboo to create a fast-growing privacy section around their home. But according to Vastu, it is advised not to grow bamboo trees at home. Troubles are brought by planting this plant at home. In Hinduism, the bamboo tree is used at the time of death when it's a sign of obsolescence. People tree. We have seen people tree in temples, and people think that planting a people tree at home can help us in giving positivity. However, as per Vastu Shastra, it is advised that people tree should never be planted in the house. If there is a people tree in your house, then flow it to holy place or plant it in a temple. It is said that this can destroy your money. So friends, this is all about the topic. I hope you like the video. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel, like it, and send this video to the friends and family. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Hello friends, I'm Sujata once again. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is 10 most poisonous plant you must know. Datura. Datura stramonium is one of the most poisonous plant found in India and also used in many cultures as a poison. All parts of the Datura plant are poisonous. Calotropis. Calotropis plant are called madar in India and found in abundant in open area, grassland and farmland. The milky latex from the leaves and stem of Calotropis contains poison. Parthenium. Parthenium or gajar ghas is the common invasive species in India. The plant causes milk disease in livestock and also responsible for respiratory malfunction in humans. Nerium olander. Nerium olander and all parts are toxic and one of the most poisonous grown plant in India. Nerium plants are commonly grown in gardens of India. Castor beans. Ricinus is known as Arandi in Hindi, and India is the largest producer of castor oil. The plant is not poisonous, but the seeds are poisonous to people, animals, and insects. Plumera. All parts of the plumera plant are toxic. The milky can cause rash and vomiting. Leaves or flower of plumera also cause itching, burning sensation, and irritate the digestive system. Crab's eye plant. Crab's eye plant is native to India and Sri Lanka, and its seeds are poisonous. The plant is also used in Ayurveda and traditional Indian unit of mass measurement. Yellow olander. Yellow olander is the most common poisonous plant found in India. The plant contains cardiglycosides. Debenbachia. Debenbachia is the most common indoor plants and poisonous too. Leaves of Debenbachia dangerous to humans or animals and causes immediate pain. Cerbera odollam. Cerbera odollam is native to India and mostly found in coast parts of Kerala. The plant is known as suicide tree in India, and its potent poison was used for suicide and murder. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you found it interesting. If you like this video, press like button and share with family, friends and relatives. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. The topic that I'm discussing today is 10 highly nutritious roots and tuber vegetables in India. Turmeric, haldi. Turmeric is used in Ayurvedic medicine and is the integral part of Indian cuisine. No recipe is complete without this spice. Many of us use haldi powder. However, try to use whole turmeric. It looks like ginger. You can dry the root and powder it at home. Ginger, adrak. Ginger follows close in popularity to turmeric as a medicinal spice in India. Adrak ki chai is a classic beverage of almost every Indian household. Turmeric and ginger belongs to family Gingiberaceae. India produces the largest amount of ginger in the world. Potato, aloo. Potato is basic vegetable used in Indian cuisine. Potato is used in combination with various other vegetables. Sweet potato, shakarkandi. The benefit of sweet potato is that you can eat this root during fast too, so it gains an auspicious level. Alephendium Chiren. This is a huge tuber used in many yummy dishes. Although some people may not like its taste, yet it makes a variety of dishes. You can make yum chips, yum fingers, yum gravy, or simply saute them. It is also called jibkanda. The tuber has a medicinal property in Ayurveda. Taro Arbi. Taro has nutrient value similar to that of potato, but the taste and the texture is different. In some states of India, leaves and stalks of taro plant are also cooked. Radish. Moli. Radish is popular root used in salads. Also, and who can forget the yummy moli ke paranthas? This edible root is loved by many. Some even cook sabji of this root along with its leaves. Carrot. Carrots are available generally in red and orange colors in Indian markets. It is an important ingredient of salad. Indian sweet dish gajar ka halwa is famous. Red carrots are indigenous to Indian land and available only during winter in the country, while the orange ones, which are less sweet than red ones, are available throughout the year. Beetroot. Chukandar. Beetroot is used as a food coloring agent. Its high iron content make an ideal root to be consumed by anemics. People eat as salad, spiced or cooked. The root has medicinal property. Turnip. Shalgam. Turnip is a common root used in cuisines of Kashmir, Punjab and Bengal. A lot of tasty dishes can be cooked using the root vegetable. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy this video. If you like it, then press the like button. If you are new to my channel, if you like this type of content, subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos. Share with family, friends and relatives. Also press the bell icon to get a notification of new videos. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.